Welcome, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and in this video I will show you how to change DPI settings on your device. So to do that, first open the settings, then go to the display settings right here, and then scroll down, and here you'll find both font style and size and style. By moving this slider, you'll be able to make your font either bigger or smaller. You can also change the font style by going right here and selecting one of the styles that matches your style, and then back into display settings. You can also change the screen zoom and make it either bigger or smaller, also by moving the slider either to the right or to the left respectively. And that's how you change DPI settings on your phone. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.